All right, now let's get some introductions to the touchscreen monitor before we do digitizing. Right now it's on a manual mode. See, this LED light is lit up. We can jump this from manual mode to digitizing by touching digitizing. We also can go to trial run or browse files, or we can shut down the computer from here. So now let's focus on digitizing by pressing digitizing icon. It requires you into a RAM ID. For example, if we call this RAM a number 2278, it's just a random number, but it should be a Hollander number. Hit enter. It requires a file description, say which manufacturer. We call it FORD, Ford. Hit enter. So it will bring you next page. It has a RAM ID and the descriptions. Now let's look at this requirement for the input. Top one on the left. Digitizing increment, which is how fast, how much it moves from point A to point B to point C to point D, so on. It is 30 thousandths for each movement. Second parameter is digitizing feed rate, which can be 20 inch per minute or 24 inch per minute. Next parameter is cutting feed rate. The cutting feed rate by default is set up 10 inch per minute. The last number is spindle speed. By default is 900 RPM, which is applied to 14 inch, 15 inch, 16 inch rims. For the bigger rims, for example 18 inch rim, we should use 800 RPM or less. For 20 inch rim or bigger, we should use 700 RPM or less. Basically, the larger the rim is, the slower the spindle RPM should be. That's the way to set up these parameters. When you are all confirmed, you can press step 1, setting verify.